Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, the message of the Malam Buhari regime to the Igbo race is that Igbo is not so Kwenu, as it shuts down the only viable airport in Igbo land. So Malam Buhari has shut down the only viable airport. I mean, by Malam Buhari, of course, I mean the government being run by Malam Buhari. So the government being run by Malam Buhari has shut down the only viable airport in Igbo land, as it makes it clear to the Igbos that Igbo is not so Kwenu. So guys, I bring you this. Federal government closed down Enugu airport, gives reasons. So that's the headline. Federal government closes down Enugu airport and gives the reason. So here's the body of the piece. The Akanu Ibiam International Airport in Enugu is set to be closed down by the federal government. The Minister of State for Aviation, Hidi Sirika, has disclosed. So Hidi Sirika is the person shutting you down, Igbo people. Sirika said the airport will be closed down over the state of the runway. Speaking in Lagos at a stakeholders forum on Friday, the minister explained that the airport will be degraded for international operations because the runway's length is not ideal for such operations. According to him, the market, television mast, and free zone needs to be relocated for the airport to be fit for safe flights. So those are the reasons that they are giving for shutting down the only viable airport in Igbo land, at least the only one that I think handles international flight. And that is just me surmising now, so please don't quote me verbatim. So that is my summation, that that's the only viable airport in Igbo land. I imagine rather that that is the only viable airport in Igbo land, because I do not imagine that there are many international standard airports in Igbo land. So the only viable airport in Igbo land has been shut down for whatever reasons that this guy is stating, but it's been shut down anyway. Now woe betide for him to shut down the airport in Yoruba land, and it would never happen for him to shut down the airport in Kano. And forget Abuja, that's never going to be shut down. But Igbo land is Igbo land, and no one cares, and we all know that. So there you have it. The only viable airport, rather, I can't even speak anymore now. The only viable airport in Igbo land has now been shut down, and that is now one in the eye to Nnamdi Kanu. Is now telling him, come back home now and come and challenge me on this if you feel you are brave enough. So over to you. Igbo is no longer so Kwenu, according to Malam Buhari. Now, what says you? Conversations in the comment section. But before you come join me in the comment section, and by the way, I know this is a fairly controversial thing to say, and I am reading into this piece what I have just said, because this is not what the piece says verbatim, but this is my reading of it. So that's why I am inviting your conversation in the comment section. But before you come join me to have that conversation, click on the red subscribe button so it goes gray. Click on the bell button, that way you are notified every time I drop a new video. Then come join me, let me know what you are making of this in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, meet you in the comment section, but here I say peace.